Hello big adventurers, welcome to our last few days in Koh Samui Island. We spent here almost a month. In this video we're gonna show you some amazing drone footage, viewpoints and sunsets. Let's get into the vlog. As you can see, Koh Samui has an amazing coastline, but unfortunately the sea is not really great for swimming because the water is quite shallow. As I mentioned in the previous videos, the Koh Samui Islands seemed to me pretty deforested, especially when I was running up the hills. It was mainly for coconut plantations, but many times they just deforest the land and leave it like that. Alright, and after flying a drone, we are enjoying this beautiful sunset. And over here I'm enjoying these epic views on my last trail run in Koh Samui. And over here we are on another beautiful beach, so it looks really nice, but as I said, for swimming it's not so great because the water is quite shallow and murky. Plus there are a lot of seaweeds which make swimming really uncomfortable, and also sea urchins and sometimes even jellyfish. And over here we are at another waterfall called Zongure, but the water level is pretty low. It's just like a little stream coming down the rock. And I think the water management in Koh Samui is pretty bad. Not only there is a lot of water wasted, but many times the waterfalls smell of sewage. And here we are at Coconut Beach, which is located near Naiton town. It's definitely the most beautiful beach we visited in Koh Samui. Not only you have a nice sand here, view of the shipwreck, but also the water was nice and clear, which is not very common in Koh Samui. Luckily we took our drone with us and we got these amazing shots. And over here we are on our last hike in Koh Samui, enjoying these amazing views. It's always great to practice handstand on the sand with the sunset. The colors of the sea and the sky after the sunset, together with the calmness in expectation of the night approaching, makes it a truly unique experience. We're visiting the last waterfall in Koh Samui, the Tanrua waterfall, which was definitely the worst one. There was just a little spring coming through and it really smelled bad from the sewage, which is quite common in Thailand. The water sanitization is a big issue here when the tap water is not drinkable. If you're environmentally friendly, you can refill your bottle at one of the reverse osmosis machines on the streets, which are sometimes hard to find. You can contribute to more plastic pollution and buy bottled water like most tourists are doing. Under the little stream we actually found another waterfall, which I guess could look more amazing during the rain season. Alright vegan adventures, that's it for 1 month of amazing adventures in Koh Samui Island. It was definitely more relaxing time than in Chiang Mai and Pai, where we tried to do more hiking and other different adventures. But I think we still had amazing time exploring the whole island, the hills, the coastline, the waterfalls. Even though I found many negatives on this island, like the bad deforestation, the water management and the inability to swim in the sea, still some amazing things to see and experience on this island. Next we'll travel to Koh Phangan Island, which is only about 5 kilometers away from Koh Samui, and to stay another month there, and we're hoping it's gonna be better than Koh Samui. We see there are more forests and jungle. Stay tuned for those videos, and as always, stay healthy and stay adventurous.